Welcome back. In this video, we see the specs and features of ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 16 laptop. This laptop is newly showcased in CES 2025. Model number of the laptop is G635LX. Features include: this is a 16-inch laptop which comes with ROG Nebula display, Intel Core Ultra Series 2 CPU, 2.5K resolution, mini LED display panel, Intel AI Boost with Copilot, RTX 50 series laptop GPU, anti-glare display panel, Dolby Vision HDR, Dolby Atmos surround sound, and Pantone validated color. Apart from these, this laptop also includes intelligent cooling with tri-fan and end-to-end vapor chamber, easy access to the component to upgrade with no tools, replace memory and SSD without any tools, liquid metal component paste for CPU and GPU to keep your laptop cool. CPU of the laptop is Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX CPU. Base clock speed is 2.7 GHz, can boost the clock speed to 5.4 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost. CPU has 24 cores and 24 threads. 24 cores is 8 performance cores and 16 efficient cores with 36 MB L3 cache. For graphics, there are 2 GPU for graphics processing, one with Intel integrated Intel graphics with 4 Xe cores and 8 TOPS for regular workloads and gaming. For high-end gaming, we get NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 chipset, which can do 1824 AI TOPS with real-time ray tracing and 24 GB GDDR7 memory, which is dedicated only for graphics processing. NPU is Intel AI Boost, which can do 13 trillion ops. Intel Core Ultra 9 series CPU has dedicated NPU. NPU is Neural Processing Unit used for AI and ML workloads. As a standard configuration, this laptop model comes with 32 GB DDR5 5600 MHz SO-DIMM modules, supports dual channel memory. There are 2 SO-DIMM slots available on this laptop. For storage, there is 2 M.2 Gen 4 SSD drives with total capacity of 4 TB. These 2 SSD drives are striped with RAID 0 setup for better performance compared with single M.2 SSD drives. Display of the laptop is 16-inch ROG Nebula HDR display with mini LED anti-glare coating, supports 2.5K, which is 2560 by 1600 WQXGA resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio, 240 Hz refresh rate, mux switch and NVIDIA Advanced Optimus to switch between integrated GPU and NVIDIA graphics, Dolby Vision HDR, DCI P3 100% color gamut, Pantone certified, 1200 nits of peak brightness, ambient contrast ratio of 4.5 times to enhance the contrast for incredibly vivid colors. Camera is 1080p Full HD infrared camera, built-in array microphone, ASUS AI noise cancellation, supports Windows Hello for passwordless authentication. For audio, there are 2 tweeters and 2 down-firing speakers to give studio quality sound, Dolby Atmos virtual surround sound, high-resolution audio for earphone, comes with smart amp technology. For network, Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 is supported. Also, there is RJ45 gigabit Ethernet port for wired connection. Let us see the ports available on this laptop. On the left, there is one DC input for power input, one RJ45 LAN port supporting 2.5 gigabits per second, one HDMI 2.1 port, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A 10 Gbps speed port, 2 Thunderbolt 5 Type C 120 Gbps speed port. These 2 ports supports power delivery, display and NVIDIA G-Sync, and there is also 3.5mm headphone earphone mic combo port. On the right, there are 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A 10 Gbps speed port. For input and keyboard, we see a large touchpad, new with 36% larger touchpad, backlit chiclet keyboard with gaming controls, per key RGB, number pad and dedicated Copilot key. Battery is 4 cell 90 Wh lithium-ion polymer battery, supports ASUS battery fast charge. Power adapter for the laptop is 380 watt AC adapter. Input voltage range between 100 to 240 volt AC and output voltage is 20 volt DC, 19 amps. With the laptop, we get 100 watt Type-C AC adapter. For security, there is a trusted platform module, BIOS password protection for user and administrator. Operating system of the laptop is Windows 11 Professional 64-bit with Copilot Plus when rolled out. Body of the laptop is plastic and metal alloy combination. Weight of the laptop is 2.85 kilograms and 26.6 millimeter thin. This laptop model comes with Anime Vision display on the lid with thousands of LED. We can customize the logo of our choice. By default, Strix logo will be displayed on the lid. With ASUS Sync logo, we can control the RGB light on the laptop as well as the compatible devices. Let us see the upgrade options. For memory, there are 2 DIMM slots. We can add 32 GB into 2 DDR5 RAM modules to increase memory to 64 GB. These slots also support DDR5 6400 MHz for future upgrade with faster RAM speed. For storage, this laptop model already comes with 2 TB plus 2 TB in RAID 0 setup. We have 4 TB of maximum usable storage. These M.2 SSD slots supports Gen 5 M.2 SSD drives. RAID 0 setup is for performance. If you lose any one of the M.2 SSD drive, the total data will be lost. So you need to have 2 TB plus 2 TB always in the slot. Warranty of the laptop is 1 year international warranty. In the box we get ROG backpack, ROG Fusion 2 300 headset, ROG Gladius 3 mouse, Type-C 100 watt AC adapter.